A goal without a plan is just a wish. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier. Everyone desires success, but if we look closely, we'll find that very few actually achieve it. What separates those who thrive from those who merely dream? Success is often defined by our values, motivation, and environment. It's deeply influenced by our imagination and how we visualize our aspirations. Each goal we set is birthed from a desire to attain something meaningful, to be better, to strive for greatness. Think about the personal goals we might set: saving $1 million in a year, mastering a new skill in our field, building impactful relationships, or committing to a healthier lifestyle. On a larger scale, organizations too set collective goals, aiming to innovate and push boundaries each year. Yet, despite the universal yearning for success, a staggering number of people fail to meet their goals. So, what's the missing link? Why do the majority struggle to turn their vision of success into reality? In this video, we're going to explore not just the what and why behind goal setting, but also the how to build systems that work alongside our goals to turn our dreams into actionable steps. We've noticed that many of our viewers aren't subscribed yet, and we want you to be a part of our journey. Subscribing to our channel is completely free, and it helps us grow and deliver even more amazing content that you love. By clicking that subscribe button, you're not just supporting us, you're joining a vibrant community where we share ideas, insights, and inspiration. Plus, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Let's embark on this adventure together. Hit that subscribe button today. So, what really are goals? Goals are specific targets or desired outcomes that individuals or organizations aim to achieve within a set time frame. They serve as a roadmap, guiding efforts and actions toward desired results. Goals are destinations in the sense that they represent what you aspire to achieve. What are the various types of goals? There are various types of goals depending on the perspective we decide to view it from. They include personal goals. These are self-improvement or lifestyle aspirations, like health, education, or relationship objectives. For example, running a marathon or learning a new language. Professional goals. These focus on career development and achievements, such as obtaining a promotion, acquiring new skills, or expanding a business. Short-term goals, aimed at achievements that can be accomplished in the near future, usually within a year. They help build momentum toward larger ambitions. Long-term goals. These are broader objectives that take several years to achieve, like saving for retirement or completing an advanced degree. What is the framework on which goals are considered to be effective? The SMART framework is a widely recognized method for setting effective goals. Each component of SMART helps ensure that goals are clear and reachable, enhancing the likelihood of success. Here's a detailed breakdown of the acronym SMART. 1. Specific. Goals should be clear and specific, answering the questions of who, what, where, when, and why. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," a specific goal would be, "I want to run a 5K race in my city in 3 months." 2. Measurable. You should be able to track your progress and measure the outcome. This helps you stay motivated and know when you've achieved the goal. For example, instead of "I want to save money," a measurable goal would be, "I want to save $5,000 in the next year." This allows you to track your savings each month. 3. Achievable. Goals should be realistic and attainable, considering your resources and constraints. Setting an achievable goal helps prevent discouragement. For example, rather than saying, "I want to lose 30 pounds in a month," an achievable goal would be, "I want to lose 5 pounds each month for 6 months." This is more realistic and sustainable. 4. Relevant. Goals should matter to you and align with your broader objectives or values. They should be relevant to your life and aspirations. For example, if your long-term goal is to improve your career prospects, a relevant goal might be, "I will complete a certification course in my field within the next 6 months. 5. Time-bound. Every goal should have a deadline or a time frame that creates a sense of urgency and prompts action. For example, instead of saying, "I want to write a book," A time-bound goal would be, I will write my first draft of the book by December 31st of this year. This helps you stay focused and accountable. The SMART framework enables individuals and organizations to set clear and effective goals by ensuring they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach boosts motivation, accountability, and clarity, making it easier to track progress and adjust plans as necessary. Having this framework in mind, here are steps for setting effective goals. Identify your goals. Reflect on what you want to achieve in different areas of your life, personal, professional, health, etc. Choose a few key goals that resonate most with you. Write it down. Record your goals. Writing down your goals makes them tangible and reinforces your commitment. Use a journal, planner, or digital tool for this. Use the SMART criteria. As you write, ensure each goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break it down. Divide each goal into smaller, manageable actions or milestones. This makes it less overwhelming and helps you see progress along the way. For example, if your goal is to lose 20 pounds in 6 months, your actions might include exercise 3 times a week and plan healthy meals every Sunday. Create an action plan. Outline a step-by-step plan for achieving your goals. Decide what actions you'll take and when to take them. Schedule specific times in your calendar for each action to ensure accountability. Review and adjust regularly. Set aside time, weekly or monthly, to review your progress. Are you on track? What's working or not working? Be flexible and willing to adjust your goals or action steps if you encounter setbacks or new opportunities. Visualize your progress. Consider using a visual aid, like a vision board or progress chart, to keep your goals top of mind and visualize your achievements. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate small victories along the way. This boosts motivation and encourages you to keep going. Why are goals important and what are the possible limitations to goal setting? Goals are important for these reasons. Direction and focus. Goals provide a clear direction for your efforts, helping you prioritize your time and resources effectively. Motivation. Having specific goals can boost motivation and incentivize you to take action toward achieving them. Accountability. Goals create a sense of responsibility, making it easier to hold yourself accountable for your progress and outcomes. Measure progress. Goals allow you to track your achievements and measure progress over time, which is essential for personal growth. Improved decision-making. Clear goals help you make more informed decisions that align with your long-term objectives and values. Sense of achievement. Successfully reaching your goals fosters a sense of accomplishment and self-esteem, encouraging you to set and pursue new challenges. Possible limitations to goal setting. Rigidity. Strictly adhering to goals can limit creativity and flexibility. Sometimes, opportunities or interests change, and rigid goals can prevent you from adapting. Pressure and stress. High-stakes goals can create pressure and stress, leading to anxiety if you feel overwhelmed or fear failure. Overemphasis on outcomes. Focusing too much on end results can distract from the learning process and the enjoyment of the journey. It's essential to value the experiences and skills gained along the way. Unrealistic expectations. Setting overly ambitious or unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and demotivation if progress is slower than expected or setbacks occur. Neglecting other aspects. Intense focus on specific goals can lead to neglecting other important areas of life, such as relationships, well-being, or personal interests. Fear of failure. The fear of not achieving set goals can hinder taking action altogether, preventing individuals from trying new things or pursuing opportunities. While goals are crucial for personal and professional growth, it's essential to set them thoughtfully and maintain a flexible and balanced approach. A balanced approach to goal setting incorporates systems and strategies that can help ensure you not only set meaningful goals but also effectively work towards achieving them. What are systems? Systems are organized frameworks designed to achieve specific objectives. They consist of interconnected components that work together to produce desired outcomes, such as improving efficiency or enhancing productivity. What are the components of a strong system? A strong system includes interconnected parts, elements such as people, processes, tools, and resources that interact and rely on each other. Defined purpose, a clear goal that guides the system's operation. Structured framework, an outline of how components fit together and function. Processes, repeatable workflows that dictate task completion and can be optimized. Feedback loops, mechanisms for monitoring performance, allowing for adjustments and improvements. What are the types of systems? Personal systems, routines and processes individuals create for personal management, for example, time management. Organizational systems, operational processes and communication structures within businesses, for example, project management. Natural systems, ecosystems where organisms and environmental factors interact. Technological systems, software and hardware working together for specific functions, e.g., data processing systems. Some examples of systems. Time management system, methods that include scheduling tools and prioritization techniques to manage tasks. Project management system, frameworks utilizing software and processes to plan and execute projects. Health and wellness system, structured approaches to maintain physical and mental health through routines like exercise and nutrition. Systems provide a structured approach to achieving goals and improving efficiency. By implementing effective systems in personal and professional contexts, individuals and organizations can streamline processes and achieve desired outcomes more effectively. What are the differences between systems and goals? 1. Definition. While goals are specific desired outcomes or objectives you aim to achieve, systems are structured methods, processes, or routines that guide you toward achieving those outcomes. 2. Nature. Goals are static in the sense that they represent a target, destination, or endpoint. Systems are dynamic as they involve ongoing processes that can be adjusted and optimized over time. 3. Focus. Goals are result-oriented. Focuses on what you want to achieve. Systems are process-oriented. Focuses on how you will achieve the desired outcomes. 4. Time frame. Goals usually have a defined timeline or deadline, e.g., short-term, long-term. Systems are often continuous or cyclical, involving repetitive activities and habits. 5. Measurement. Goals are typically measured by whether or not the goal is achieved. Systems are measured by the effectiveness and efficiency of the processes and habits in place. How do goals and systems complement each other? Direction and structure. Goals provide direction by defining what you want to achieve, while systems offer the structure and processes needed to reach those goals. Together, they create a clear path forward. Motivation and accountability. Goals serve as motivational targets, encouraging individuals to strive for specific achievements. Systems help maintain accountability through consistent actions, ensuring gradual progress toward those goals. Flexibility and adaptation. As you work toward your goals, you may encounter challenges or changing circumstances. A solid system allows you to adapt your processes and methods without losing sight of your ultimate objectives. Sustainability. Without a system, achieving goals can be a one-time event. Systems foster habits and routines that lead to ongoing success and continuous improvement, helping maintain progress even after a goal is accomplished. Feedback and improvement. Regularly assessing your progress toward goals provides valuable feedback on how well your system is functioning. This allows for adjustments in strategies or processes to enhance effectiveness, ensuring you stay on track. Example of goals and systems working together. Goal: run a marathon in 6 months. System: implement a training plan that includes weekly running schedules, cross-training workouts, nutrition tracking, and regular assessments of running distances and times. In this example, the goal, running a marathon, provides a clear outcome to strive for, while the system, training plan, lays out the necessary steps and processes to achieve that outcome. While goals outline what you want to achieve, systems define how you will get there. When used together, they create a comprehensive framework for success, enabling individuals to stay focused, motivated, and organized on their journey toward accomplishment. The importance of SMART goals and supporting systems. While having a desire for an outcome or simply setting a goal is a starting point, it's crucial that goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, and documented. This approach answers the what of goal setting. However, to translate those goals into reality, we must focus on the how, the systems that will help us achieve them. Effective systems surround our goals and provide the structure necessary for success. They not only define the processes and workflows we need but also ensure that we remain accountable and on track. There's a growing advocacy for shifting focus away from traditional goal setting, suggesting that systems alone can suffice. However, I believe that goals play a critical role. When paired with strong systems, they become more attainable, as the systems provide the actionable steps and frameworks necessary to reach those goals. In essence, a harmonious combination of clear, well-defined goals and robust systems greatly enhances our ability to achieve desired outcomes, making success more manageable and achievable. In this video, we have defined goals, explored what goals are and why they matter. Types of goals, discussed various types of goals to provide clarity on options available. Framework for setting effective goals. Introduced the SMART goals framework, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to ensure goals are well-structured. Steps for setting effective goals. Outlined practical steps to set and document goals effectively. Importance of goals. Emphasized why having clear goals is essential for success. Definition of systems. Explained what systems are, including their components and types. Examples of systems. Provided examples to illustrate how different systems operate in various contexts. Differentiation between systems and goals. Clarified the distinction between goals and systems while highlighting how each serves a unique purpose. Complementary relationship. Examined how goals and systems work together to enhance our ability to achieve desired outcomes. Importance of SMART goals and supporting systems. Reinforced the significance of having SMART goals supported by robust systems for effective goal achievement. We hope you have found this video both educational and intriguing. We would love to hear your feedback, as your thoughts are invaluable to us. Please let us know what you think about this video in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.